Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by anchoring the arm and palm so the hand reads as part of the limb. Draw the upper arm as a cylinder and mark shoulder and elbow hinges. This gives rotation. Place the wrist spot about 1/4 down from the elbow and sketch the palm as a flattened oval. This controls angle and thickness. Once done, add finger direction lines from the palm center outward, leaving roughly 0. 5 to 1 cm spacing between guides so fingers won't bunch. Now block in fingers and joints using simple shapes so bending looks intentional. You divide each finger into 3 segments and place small trapezoids for knuckles. That makes the bend points clear. When foreshortened, shorten the distal phalange and overlap segments to cell depth. Rotate all finger blocks around the wrist axis you set earlier and constantly check the negative spaces between fingers. These shapes tell you if the angles read naturally. Make sure to keep just finish by refining outlines and adding small creases where skin compresses, because those details sell realism. Erase construction shapes, then shade the main planes, the dorsum, the palm, and the gaps between fingers, using soft gradients to imply volume. If something looks off, here's a quick troubleshooting tip. When fingers appear stiff, exaggerate the knuckle offsets and recheck wrist rotation. Often a tiny tweak in wrist angle or knuckle placement fixes the whole pose. Make sure light direction stays consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.